Lesson 3. Acknowledging your emotions, awareness, and expressing. Once you are able to identify your emotions, you will need to work on your emotional awareness. The ability to know what you are feeling and why. Often we are caught unaware when an emotion pops up rather awkwardly even though the signs and the symptoms were all there. In this course, you would have been given a set of questions to answer that will help you to have some idea how well you are doing when it comes to being aware of your emotions. Have you completed the exercise? How well did you do? To be aware of your emotions requires you to know and to quickly identify common signs and symptoms that come with each primary emotion. Being able to recognize these signs quickly and to make correct conclusions will help you be better prepared to respond to the emerging emotion. This is how you begin to develop your emotional advantage. Let's have a look at anger. The faster you are able to recognize you are becoming angry, the faster you are able to respond appropriately and gain maximum benefit from this emotion. So what are some of the signs that you might show when anger begins to appear? Clenching of jaws, increased heart rate, getting irritated, a desire to strike out, getting sarcastic, raising your voice, or acting in an abrasive manner. Knowing your signs and symptoms for every primary emotion is very helpful and necessary. The next time you exhibit any one of these primary emotions, take a step back and recall some key signs that preceded the manifestation of that emotion. Keep a list and familiarize yourself with your unique and personal signs. If you are taking this course, please select one primary emotion and list 7 of your own unique telltale signs for that emotion. At this juncture, you are able to identify your emotions and are aware of their telltale signs. What now? You will need to express your emotions correctly to yourself and to others. For this course, you have been given a set of questions to answer that will help you to have some idea how well you are doing when it comes to expressing your emotions. Have you completed the exercise? How well did you do? The last step in acknowledging your emotions is being able to verbally inform yourself and, when necessary, others about how you feel. There is something very powerful when you are able to verbally inform yourself what you are presently feeling, and even more powerful when it's done properly. What do I mean? Let's say you are aware that the signs you are experiencing is signaling you that you are experiencing anger. What many then would say to themselves or to others around them is, "I am angry," usually in a harsh, loud tone, yes? What's wrong with this? The 2 powerful words, "I am," which denotes identity, your very being, who you are. The fact is, you are not your feelings. You have feelings, and they serve you. So only when you stop linking your identity with your emotions will you enjoy your emotional advantage. So what can you do to express your feelings? Use this phrase instead the next time you feel an emotion like anger. Say, "I am feeling angry." Go ahead, try it. First say, I am angry. And then say, I am feeling angry. Notice the difference? Notice how you feel when saying these two phrases. Express what you feel, not who you are. This concludes the first step towards tapping into your emotional advantage. Learn to acknowledge your emotions. How to do it? Identify your emotions, be aware of them, and express them correctly.